Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Wealthy Coin. The price of a Shiba Inu is about to double tonight. Big news: cryptocurrencies are becoming more famous and accepted, and new coins and tokens like Shiba Inu and Shibarium are coming out all the time. Shibarium is a new L2 blockchain network for Shiba Inus that will be built on Ethereum. It will turn Shiba Inu from a coin based on a joke into a full community. This video is about how the price of Shiba Inus is about to double tonight. It's a big deal. Don't forget to slam the thumbs up, share and subscribe to the channel to see our latest predictions and expert research about Shiba Inu prices. So, let's start the video right away. Shiba Inu has become an important meme coin, and its market price puts it in the top 20 cryptocurrencies. Shib has been developed and worked on by a team that has kept a steady pace. People have heard a lot about the goals and milestones that the Shib ecosystem has reached. Binance announced on April 18 that Shiba Inu would be moved out of the innovation zone. This was one of the recent major events. According to a recent announcement, the biggest cryptocurrency exchange has decided to move Shiba Inu and other tokens out of the innovation zone. These include FraxShare, Trust, Wallet Token, and 1inch. In a release on April 18, Binance said that the innovation zone was made so that Binance users could trade new and interesting projects in a safe place. Some of these projects may have shown that they are worth doing and live up to the high standards we expect. Binance said that after reviewing Shib and these other tokens carefully, the exchange has chosen to move them out of the innovation zone. Shib reached this goal after Binance reviewed it based on a number of factors. So, someone made a script that lets millions of wallets be made at once. This was done to stress test the network PuppyNet. The number of hosted wallets on the beta version of the Shiba Inu Shibarium network keeps going up, which makes people wonder what's behind the quick rise. Recent news reports say that a script was made to create millions of wallets to test the network's strength under stress. In a recent tweet, a team member for Shib Pixel Pups, an NFT project based on Shiba Inus, said that the person said they wrote a script that made more than 9.5 million wallets on PuppyNet and more than 3 million transactions on the beta network. The team member went on to say that they were also responsible for making 1,620 tokens on the test network. Some of the tokens from PuppyScan are Shib Pixel Pups, DAO SB DAO, and Shib Pixel Pups Token SB. The block explorer for PuppyNet shows that the network has an amazing 13.3 million wallet addresses and has processed more than 3.47 million transactions so far. Remember that the number of wallets jumped by 86% in just 2 days, reaching over 5 million. This huge jump happened because of this script. The goal of the test network is to give interested parties a chance to try the network in different ways to see how well it works and how reliable it is before it goes live on the mainnet. Satoshi Kusama, who is in charge of Shiba Inu, has said many times that the activities, tokens, and deals that can be seen on the testnet are not real. Creating a tool that can make millions of wallets on the test network is a good idea because it can help test how scalable and fast the blockchain is. It can also help find any bugs or problems that might happen during the process. The story writer said that stress testing the network is important for figuring out how reliable it is. They wanted to see how well the network could handle busy times like games and airdrops. They also said that an airdrop script and other tests would be run to check the network's transaction speed, reliability, and other features. As of right now, there have been no bugs recorded in March. The Shib burns have really stood out. In March, 6.78 billion Shib tokens were burned in 540 transactions. This was a big jump from the previous months, both in terms of the amount of Shib killed and the number of transactions. Since October 2022, when 9.5 billion Shib were burned in 2433 transactions, this March burn was the biggest since then. Yesterday, the Shib burn tracker said that more than 34.92 million Shiba Inu were burned in 3 transactions, with 25.31 million of them coming from a single bank. This huge movement came from Coinbase 10, a wallet that is linked to Coinbase. It moved a whopping $25,313,000. In 1997, Shib was sent to the burn address all at once. The total burn rate went up by 293 million Shib, or 1,108%, because of this deal. The futures market is another sign that the trend is going up. Shiba Inu has been getting more attention since the beginning of March. The metric is the number of open positions in contracts that buyers have. According to data from Coinbase, the number of open futures has passed 2.4 trillion Shib, which is about $26.78 million. A month ago, the number of open futures was only about $18 million. The rise in open interest shows that buyers are getting more and more interested in Shib. Early in February, the price of the Shib hit its annual high of $0.1591, which was $47.3 million. At the time of press, the price of a Shiba Inu was 1,083 cents. The Shib price is currently dealing in an ascending triangle, which is a continuation pattern. This was talked about on Newsweek. The drop today to 1,064 cents. Shib has come up with a new higher low. So, the trend continues to go up. By the end of April, we might know for sure if the bulls or the bears win. Shiba Inu futures have recently started to get buyers' attention. Interest recently went through the roof, reaching 2.4 trillion tokens, or $27.51 million, after a slow rise that began a month ago. This growing pattern suggests renewed interest, which makes people think prices will go up. Futures open interest is the number of open futures contracts that haven't been settled or closed out by a trade that cancels them out. In essence, it shows how many contracts are still open and being held by market players. When the open interest of an asset grows at an exponential rate, it usually means that a lot of new money is coming into the market and that traders are taking positions in anticipation of price changes, according to data from CoinGlass, a futures trading intelligence tool. Shiba Inu's open interest has grown by more than 52% since March 13, when it was only worth $18.5 million. It is now worth $27.51 million in Shib coins, 2.4 trillion. The chart shows that there is a link between Shib, open interest, and the price movement of the asset, as the price of the asset often goes up. When its OAI goes up, it makes more money. On February 5, its OAI went up to 3.2 trillion tokens, which is $47.3 million. This caused the price of the Shib to rise to 15.27 cents on that day, which was the highest it had been all year. Shib Zoe, on the other hand, started going down after February 5, and the price of the asset started going down after it hit a low on March 13. The amount of the open interest is going up again. Investors think that the price of the item will follow suit. Since April 8, when it dropped to 1.58 trillion Shib, trade volume on Binance has also shown a rise in demand for Shib. Over the past 4 days, the number of Shiba Inus traded on Binance has slowly gone up every day.